Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jen. Today I will be recording a video showing you steps on how I hide my deep circles under my eyes. So if you'd like to see how I achieve it, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Alright, so looking at myself, I have some sunken eyes. So I'm going to show you guys how I conceal that. It's very easy. I don't use too much products. I'm going to show you a simple way to get this done. So here we go. The first thing I always do when I'm applying my makeup is I do my eyebrows and my eyeshadow, and then I work on my face. But since we're not doing the eyebrows and eyeshadow, we're just going to go straight to the face. The first thing I like to use is my LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer in orange. This is actually a color corrector. I'm going to go ahead and put this on those lines of my eyes. Oh, and by the way, I already moisturized my face. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so. Okay, so as you can see, that is all I put on. Not a lot, because I don't want to be looking too orange. Let's go ahead and get our UT blender and just tap that in until it's all blended. Blended in. Until it's all blended in. Blended in. Till it's all blended in. Okay. You're already starting to see a little difference. I think so. Okay, so the next step, I'm going to go ahead and put some foundation on. I use the Born This Way medium to full coverage foundation, and this is in Spiced Rum. And I just use a little bit. I put it on my fingers. I tap it all over my face. So some on top of the eyes. We're going to focus more. We're going to focus more on the eyes. Then I'm going to go ahead and go in with my foundation brush and blend this in. So now I'm going to go ahead and use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Almond. I usually use the Born This Way concealer, but I switched because I like the way the LA Girl looks on me. The way that I like to do this, I go ahead and squeeze it on my hands. Just wipe some off. Now I'm going to go ahead and tap some onto the Beauty Blender and tap it into my eyes. Well, y'all know what I mean. is to use Sasha Buttercup setting powder. I'm gonna go ahead and use my beauty blender and just tap some on there. Boom, like that. Okay, and I like to bake for like 5 minutes. If I'm looking this way, I'm looking in the mirror, so alright. I have two mirrors because I'm extra be all about it. Now we're gonna go ahead and wait for about 5 to 10 minutes and I'll be back. Alright, so it's been about 5 minutes and I love to use my Kabuki brush from e.l.f. to dust the powder off. Just gonna have and lightly dust it off. Let me not smile too much before it crease. I have another trick that I do. I'm going to show you. I'm going to go ahead and use some more of that setting powder. And we're just going to put some right under the lines. Like you can see it a little bit, not that bad, but right there. And we do that just so that the light can bounce back into that section so you won't see the hollow part of our eyes. Trick, huh? It's just all a trick. It's all a trick. It's all in the name of makeup. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and lightly brush the powder off. Lightly brush. Lightly brush it off. Lightly. How you like me now? How you like me now? Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and use the matte finish spray by NYX. I'm just gonna lightly spray that onto my face. And that is how I conceal my sunken eyes. I think I did a pretty good job. And like if you're wearing makeup during the day and you start to see that the lines are starting to crease, Sasha Buttercup actually has a compact powder. You can put it in your purse. I like to take it with me anywhere I go and just dab some on, and it looks like I just got it done. I hope this video helps someone. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment, and subscribe to my channel. Turn that notification bell on so you can get notified when I post a video. Till next time.